Installing an inlet for incoming materials is straightforward when you consider these three main points. 1. The inlet needs to be positioned to avoid shearing or breaking materials. This means feeding product into the inlet nearest the end where the discs will enter the inlet upstream of the entry point, allowing maximum time to settle into the inlet. 2. Product should enter via a metered mechanism, such as a vibratory feeder, slide gate, or rotary airlock. At the same rate the conveyor carries the product away. 3. Metering your products in this way avoids the possibility of damage via shearing or breakage. Also, discs must enter the inlet flat side first. And as always, please refer to the manual for additional instructions and contact our service department with unanswered questions. Click this link for more helpful installation instructions.